Hello everyone. Today we'll go over the step-by-step instructions to add an additional key using this ProKeyBox kit. To begin, you must have one working key to add additional key fob. This kit is compatible with 2007 to 2012 Dodge Caliber. I will list compatibility guide at the end of this video. This kit comes with the aftermarket key fob, the programmer tool, and the instruction manual. If you have your own unprogrammed key fob, you can also purchase the programmer tool separately as an alternative option to save money. This tool will work on any aftermarket key fob or the original key fob. Today, we'll program the aftermarket key fob with the kit. Once you use this programmer tool, it will lock to your car VIN. This means you can reuse it as many times as you want in your vehicle, but not in any other vehicle. Make sure to cut the key blade first before you begin programming. So, to begin the process, you need to connect the tool to the OBD board. From here, select your vehicle make. Press Enter. Select the model. Press Enter. Select the year. Then press Enter. Now push the brake pedal and start your vehicle using your working key. Then press Enter. The programmer will communicate to your vehicle. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. Insert the new key into the ignition and turn it to on position. Do not start the engine. Then press Enter. And wait for a few seconds until you hear the beeping sound indicating programming is successful. This means it is all done. So, next, unplug the tool and let's test the key fobs. Here, we can see it's working, and it's all good to go. Repeat the steps if you have more keys to program. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.